In this tutorial, we'll be making the simple version of the traditional origami frog. You'll need one piece of square paper. 15 to 20 centimeters across is a good size. In this video, I'm using paper that's 20 centimeters across. I'm using paper that's the same color on both sides. If you're using paper that's colored on just one side, start with the white side up if you want to finish with a colored frog. Fold the paper in half, making a rectangle shape. Fold the top corner down to the opposite edge. Note that the point should end up in the exact center of this edge, and this end should come to a nice neat point. Open the model back out and repeat the fold in the opposite direction. Note that you can use the fold that you just made as your guide. Turn the paper over. Fold the paper over so that the diagonal fold on the top paper matches up with the diagonal fold on the bottom paper. And these creases come to a point on the fold that you make. Open the model back out and turn the paper over. Press in the middle point. Bring these edges to the center and press the top down. Now your model will look like this. Fold this flap over and back to mark the center line. Then you create the front leg by folding this flap over like this. This fold doesn't need to be at an exact angle, but I think it looks cooler if this edge ends up pointing slightly outwards. Then you fold the other leg at the same angle. Fold this side in half. Move this leg out of the way for a moment by folding it over to the other side. Fold this side to the center. Then you can fold the leg back. Do the same on the other side. Now your model will look like this. Fold the bottom edge up again. Fold this edge down to make a triangle. And the same on the other side. Then you pull on the back edge like this. Pinch this outside triangle together and fold down flat. Now you find by doing this, you'll be creating a new fold inside the model here. Do the same on the other side. Fold the back leg down like this. And the same on the other side. And there you have a simple and elegant origami frog. And if you press on the back, it jumps.